私大人なんかじゃないもん。
もういつまで待たせんだよ。
いい加減に着替えろよな。
おお、いい眺め。
背の高い子もいれば小さい子もいる。いろんな仲間たちが力を合わせて戦っていることが僕ら防衛組の強さなんだと思う。
には相撲らでやっつけてやるだ。相撲じゃないぞ。
We'll be right back with Discovery Family.
Instacart lets you choose your bananas.
Get them just how you like.
Instacart lets you choose your bananas.
From green to extra ripe.
Use the app to control your bananas.
What a sign to be alive.
I can go believe what a time to be alive.
Sweet, get it.
I'm good. No, we got it.
The crib you couldn't wait to buy, and they couldn't wait to outgrow. The toy that helped him go from baby steps to big boy strides. The dress that was timeless, but only fit for the moment. Bring your gently used kid stuff to Once Upon a Child. We'll pay you on the spot, and they'll find a second life.
Kid stuff with previous experience. Once upon a child.
There is a world where birds created a great civilization. They have achieved everything, but they cannot fly. How is this possible? Let's go, Iggy!
I'm coming! What's up, jerk? It's me and my friend Felix.
And what are you doing?
Flying!
Are you new too?
No, I'm like the most popular kid in school.
And you will never, ever fly. Got it?
Oh!
The way everyone is with their phones now, it's like we live in the chicken zombie apocalypse.
You are phenomenal. You are unstoppable. Legend is biblical. You are phenomenal. Hey, phenomenal. Hey, phenomenal. Hey, phenomenal. Hey, you are phenomenal. You are phenomenal. You are phenomenal. You are phenomenal. You are phenomenal.
What? Will you teach us to fly? Sure.
Why did I buy any Suzu Ascender? Because the last time I checked, no one made a minivan with 290 horsepower.
Introducing the all-new full-size 2003 Suzu Ascender. Tons of power, tons of space,
Did I mention it even fits in my garage?
tons of value. All backed by one of the best warranties available. Spend less, go farther with the 2003 Suzu Ascender, completing Isuzu's full line of value-priced SUVs.
次回仮面ライダー Z。
俺ひどい悪夢を見たんだ。
夢はただの夢ですよ。
何よりも優先すべきはコードソムニアだ。
俺が果たすべきミッションはただ一つ。
Get started again with Kamen Rider Zests. All new next Sunday at 8, 7 Central on Discovery Family.
We're back with Discovery Family.
スーパーヒーロータイム。
絶超宇宙刑事ギャバーインフィニティ
次元を超えてミッションスタート